Well, hello everybody. Today is February 28th, 2017, and we are using Simple Screen Recorder to give you a brief overview of my desktop. In the future, I'm going to be teaching you some of the stuff I've learned playing with Linux, and we're going to start off slow and get more and more complicated, but I think anybody will be able to follow along. There's a lot of other YouTube videos out there about Linux, but I'm hoping that mine, with my great sense of humor and my ultimate personality, will make these entertaining. I plan to keep them short. As I make them, I plan on having a cup of coffee and a cannoli. So when my cannoli is done and I'm eating it, then the video is done. So let's get started. So let me minimize the Simple Screen Recorder. What we're running down here is Lubuntu, and I've changed it a little bit. This wallpaper is not one of the standard wallpapers. It doesn't come with many standard wallpapers. I actually have that pointing to a different directory, so we're not going to look at that right now. But I've deleted some of the software that came with it. I can't remember exactly what it was now, and I've added some of my own. But one of the text editors I've added is Atom. It's awesome. Check it out. It's a must-have. Maybe I'll do a video on that later. And I added Flux, which is basically changes the color temperature at night, so gets rid of the blue light so you can fall asleep at night. Because if you're up at night and you're on the computer, maybe reading a quick news article or an online book, your body thinks it's time to stay awake. So this changes the blue light, helps you fall asleep. I can't remember what else I've added down here. I think these I've added. I can't recall. Graphics, I don't think I added anything there. Internet, I believe I added Chromium and another web browser min. So Office, really just have Abbey Word. That's all I need. Everything else I do online. I have a little weather indicator and a little file manager that I installed. Now what I do like about this file manager is it's double pane, so you can change it. Makes it a lot easier. I'm sure there's a million other file managers out there. I'm not going to get into some big battle over what's what, because it really doesn't matter. Use whatever you want to use. And there's that Atom, Emacs. Another religious war is Emacs versus Vim. I don't participate in that battle. Use whatever you want to use. And this SM tube I installed. System tools I think are pretty much the same. I did add Terminator, which is my favorite terminal to use, and I installed HTOP. So let's take a look. This is a pretty low-end system, and as you can tell, oh, it didn't start. Let me start it this way then. Please hold. It's only a single processor unit. We're maxing it out, and only 2 gigs of RAM. So not a very high-end system, but that's why I have Lubuntu on it. And the other stuff pretty much is standard. So, brief overview. The icons that I'm using, let's take a look. I forgot what they're called. They are called any day now. Oh, I hit the wrong one. There we go. I believe they're called paper. But they kind of look like that. They're kind of a flat theme. And the icon It says Windows 10 icons. I don't believe that's Windows 10 icons, because Windows 10 icons would look like this. Icon theme, Windows 10. So that is not correct. So if I hit apply, which quite honestly the Windows 10 icon theme is not, it's not bad. You know, I have to give them that. So go back up there. And that's what the Windows 10 icon theme looks like. So that's a brief overview of my system. We're going to be doing more Linux videos in the future. And what do I have over here? Oh, that's just nothing. That's some like probiotics I was looking at maybe buying. But if you've enjoyed this video and you would like to send me a couple bucks in an envelope for a cannoli, send it to Tom Mayoli. There's no package with my name, of course, but let me do it this way. Oh my goodness. Let's try that, this time with feeling, okay? Send it to Tom Mayoli at P.O. Box 466 Canandaigua, Canandaigua, New York 14424. And buy me a cannoli. I don't think that's spelled right. I think it's spelled like this. Okay. You know, a couple bucks would be nice. And I hope to have, oh, I'm messing it up. A couple bucks would be nice. And I'm hoping to buy a new system in the future. And do more Linux videos and improve the quality as we go on. So if you've enjoyed this video, drop a couple bucks in an envelope, maybe a postcard, maybe a quick letter. If you want me to write you back, let me know. I'll drop you a quick note. Alright, well, I'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.